U.S. Classic Muscle Cars wants to know, what's your favorite engine?
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Bill Childress. This is my 69 Camaro Z28. I've had it for 5 years now. When I bought the car, it had the paint work done. I have, since I've owned it, I've rebuilt the transmission. I've rebuilt the engine completely. The interior has been completely redone, and I've rewired the car. The engine is a 302 that I've had to bore 30 over, just for age purposes more than anything else.
What made you get this type of car?
It's always been my favorite model car, the 69 Z28. I'd had one 30 years ago, and I had to sell it. So I've always wanted to get another one, and I found this one, so I thought I'd buy this one.
And these are the most classic rims to have, aren't they?
Yeah, the Chevrolet 7-inch rally wheels. Yeah, they were real popular on it. I just put those on this year.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it had torque thrust American racing wheels on there, and I put it back to the rally wheels.
Yeah. Look at that interior. That is nice. That is nice. And great colors, isn't it? Aren't they?
Yeah, it's called Rally Green. It is a factory color.
How many miles on the car?
I'm not too sure. I really don't know.
Do you let anyone else drive it?
No, I've let her drive it around the neighborhood. I probably shouldn't say anything because she's not insured on it. So we just drive around the neighborhood a couple times.
There you go. There you go. And then where did you find this puppy?
I bought it in Toronto, Canada.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. The guy up there had bought it out of upstate New York. And
how's the car to drive? Is it a lot of fun?
well, since I've rebuilt the suspension completely, it drives real nice now compared to a few years ago.
There you
But
go, there you go.
we drove it out to Cordoba Drag Raceways out on the Mississippi River a few weeks ago, and that's about 140 miles, I think, each way, and it drove real nice, about 70 miles an hour, nice and steady.
Can we see the engine?
Sure.
Look at that. That is a clean puppy, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so what are we looking
We're
at?
looking at a stock 302 Z28 motor, 4-bolt mains. It's got a Holley 750 double pumper on it, so it's not the original carburetor.
750 double pumper.
So,
Hell, I had that in my 67 GTO.
so
So it's nice, nice.
yeah,
There you go.
I tried to go close to back to stock as possible.
Sure.
The insides are stock. I lowered the compression ratio a little bit for the gasoline.
So forgive me if I asked you this already. So did you get the car, other than changing the tires, what work did you do?
I rebuilt the motor completely.
Did you?
I did that myself. I had a guy do the boring for me, and he rebuilt my cylinder heads. I rebuilt the transmission. I had bought the parts, so I did that. And then I had my seats reupholstered by a shop, but I did the rest of the interior work, and I did the wiring on the car.
And who do you let wax the car?
Oh, my wife, Sally, over there.
The little buffer, the little buffer.
Yeah.
There you go, there you go. Cool, cool. So what kind of recommendations would you give people that want to buy a car of this nature? How to proceed?
Shop. That's about it. Shop, look around, see what's out there. You know, it's find what you can live with.
Cool. That's it.
And thanks for watching down here in Downers Grove tonight.
And thanks for watching US Classic Muscle Cars.